Okay, today it is day 32, halfway through 64 days of peace and patience. Patience is our theme today, and I don't know if you remember a couple of sessions ago, I was looking at what seemed to be wasted muck of these amaryllis, and look at them bloom, coming up, growing. I'm so excited about that. I was showing the Dalton crest. I don't know if you could see this. I can't tell what you can see. Anyway, I know you're going to be patient with me. This Dalton crest has Patientia, Victrix, or Patientia, victories. Patience is victorious. Yes, indeed. When we are speaking about a pathway to peace, patience is gloriously important. And the reason is because when we are losing our patience, anger rises. We experience a sense of disruption and uneasiness. And most of the time, it's about time. Most of the time. Time. You know, and I know, that time can fluctuate. It can fly and it can drag. Time works in the field of our perception. And even though we've got these little clocks and things like that and schedules to keep up, time can morph. And when we're in states of joy and states of peace, time flows in perfect divine order. Our perception of time is absolutely affected by our degree of patience. And patience is about time. It's about allowing divine order to be applied to, or our own perception to be applied to the divine order, which is managing time. I have a little mantra that says, I'm always safe in time and space. It means that when I'm standing in a line and I'm really feeling impatient and I just want the person in front of me to get their act together and move, that I can stop and breathe and dissolve all of those anger and violent impulses in me, and I can awaken patience. Michael Chekhov's pathway of beauty, ease, entirety, and form are absolutely essential techniques that one can use to develop patience. We are mostly impatient when we're frightened that the time is not going to suit our dreams, our expectations, our attachments to something. Patience takes time to develop. Remember a feeling of ease when you're feeling impatient, that you can invite yourself to be at ease when you're impatient with yourself, especially when you're impatient with others. Everyone has their own sense of time. And if you are a person who's constantly late and causing other people to experience impatience with you, perhaps you can rethink your system of priorities and have patience with yourself. Leave something undone and start to be more prompt in your timing. And when you are feeling impatient for others, can you find an opportunity to understand that something can be happening in this moment that must occur in this time? Maybe it's elsewhere, or maybe it's inside of you. And maybe it's a special gift from waiting in this line at that moment, or waiting in this traffic jam at that moment, or losing your keys. Have patience. Be patient. Patientia. Victrix. Yeah, baby. Patience for peace. Go, little baby amaryllis.